the only thing connecting the cabin to the tower are 6 bolts. So you have 3 right here. They're 17 millimeter, and then 3 on the inside over here, which are also 17 millimeters. Doesn't matter how or which order you take them out in, but so all I'm gonna do is just take them out real quick.
I'll get a bucket too.
I guess we need to have a bucket under there.
You get this bucket.
Oh,
it's your bucket.
All right. Comes with
yes.
package deal.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Here, is it like a dryer vent or something? Is that it goes out?
Yeah, it'll vent out.
It vents out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, the nitrogen.
We haven't got to that part yet.
Right, and that's just the way the machine works, so you don't even have to worry about that.
All right. So we get in this bucket. I just like
Put everything in the bucket.
Yeah, everything in the bucket. Yep. So 3 in there.
That stuff can go out there. Yeah.
If you want to leave the wood piece in this so it doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Did they ever find out like what causes that discoloration?
It's just rust off the bolts.
Okay. Even like right up here up top.
That's, I mean, if you look
From
at
the wood? Or?
Well, if you look at
The back of the shield?
yeah, it's metal as well.
Okay.
I'll get it back.
All right. So, cabin itself is
And it just peels apart.
part now. I'm just putting these back in. You don't need these to know to install it, but just know that these 3 bolts that this metal frame on the inside can move around if you don't put these in to hold it while it transports.
Okay.
But these 3 bolts go back down here and will hold these. So those 3 longer bolts are for the up here that goes into the upper portion of the cabin. The 3 bolts that I'm putting in here
go on the
are
inside.
The bolts going underneath.
Okay.
Make sense?
So we need to take these bolts out and put them down there.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
And the bolts in the bucket.
Correct. Yeah.
The bolts in the
I'm just putting
bucket.
them in right now so that this doesn't move around during transportation.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. What's that little black hose?
That's what connects the cabin to the tower.
Okay.
That controls the lift and thermometer.
Okay. So was it through that little window or something?
No, that's what I recorded. What you handed me.
Okay, okay, okay.